This happens every day, but nobody notices its magic. Your kitchen appliance keeps food perfectly fresh. We rely on our refrigerators, often taking them for granted. But how exactly does this modern marvel actually work? It is a triumph of engineering and basic science principles. Today, we explore the surprising science inside your fridge. Discover the brilliant minds behind this essential invention. Prepare to see your everyday appliance in a new scientific light. For centuries, people used ice and cellars to cool food. Ancient civilizations stored food underground or in snow. Ice harvesting was a major global industry in the 19th century. Frederick Tudor built an empire shipping ice worldwide. But natural ice was unreliable and quite often inefficient. A better, more controlled cooling method was desperately needed. The scientific journey began with Scottish professor William Cullen. In 1755, he demonstrated artificial cooling using ethyl ether. This proved liquid evaporation absorbs heat from its surroundings. American inventor Oliver Evans designed the first vapor compression machine. His 1805 design used ether, but it was never actually built. Jacob Perkins built the first working vapor compression fridge in 1834. Perkins patented his ice machine in London, a true game changer. He used a volatile liquid, which was then called chloric ether. The refrigeration cycle is the core of every modern fridge. It relies on a special fluid called a refrigerant. This fluid cycles through four essential key components. First, the compressor pressurizes the refrigerant gas heavily. This action drastically increases its temperature and pressure. Next, the hot gas enters the condenser coils outside the fridge. Here, it releases heat to the ambient room air. The refrigerant cools and condenses into a high-pressure liquid. Then it flows through an expansion valve, dropping pressure. This rapid pressure drop causes the liquid to quickly evaporate. It absorbs heat from the fridge interior, keeping food cold. As the liquid turns gas, it absorbs heat from the fridge interior. This cold gas then returns to the compressor, restarting the cycle. Early refrigerants like ammonia were effective but highly toxic. Thomas Midgley Jr. introduced CFCs in 1930 for household safety. These chlorofluorocarbons later caused ozone depletion, a big problem. Today, HFCs and natural refrigerants like R600A are common. Modern science continues refining efficient, eco-friendly cooling methods. Your refrigerator truly embodies daily scientific marvels. From ancient ice to vapor compression, its journey is remarkable. It keeps our food safe and our lives much more convenient. This everyday object showcases human ingenuity and scientific progress. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.